Okay.
Is it recording?
It is.
No.
We're going to be making this mango and coconut rum alcoholic drink.
Alcoholic drink because you don't want to say daiquiri.
And then also this pineapple and passion fruit vanilla cream. Yeah, Lime-Glazed. And it's from this Ainsley book.
Which is my favourite cookbook. It's got such beautiful pictures in. And then we are doing the cardamom rice pudding brulee with mango, coconut and lime, complete with, I was going to say flamethrower, it's not flamethrower, blowtorch effect. And then finally, probably won't even be able to see this, Granny's Victoria's Sponge, which is a BBC Good Food recipe. So we're going to be testing out how decent the recipes actually are, how easy they are to follow, whether they really are foolproof.
Okay, so we are going to divide this up. So we're going to be making 2 and this serves 6. So we're going to divide the ingredients and this one serves, oh it doesn't say, but
it says
2. Oh, 2.
So
okay, I think we're ready to drink.
woo!
15 minutes later.
True. Right, cheers.
Okay, cheers. Is it facing this crap? Ooh, that's so
nice.
Good. I like how you can't taste the alcohol.
I could down this.
Yeah, I could as well.
I wish we like a bucket. We should have made like a picture. Still looks like pure liquid, but later. But oh, it's really thickening now. Here we go. This is what I've been waiting for.
It's magic.
This happened earlier. Just pop it back in. Oh my god, it is actually magic. Like hours of beating to get to this thick creaminess. Ooh. Ooh. It's quite flat, but this one is a winner. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be a pretty small Victoria's sponge, but this one will have to be the top one because it's very uneven. So this can be the bottom one.
Yeah.
We did not need any more than this.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. And you're putting jam.
I'm really excited to eat this. Oh! No!
Oh my gosh. Can we put anything on top?
Just a bit of icing sugar. Get off.
That looks so good.
I mean, yeah, this is where all the sugar's coming from. Completely ignored how much jam it said to put on. A little blob in the middle to finish it off. Right, I reckon that will do. Let's put the lid on, the wonky lid. And then I need a sieve. Finishing touches. Just throwing it all over the floor, all over the table. I mean, the taste test will be where it's at, but there is our BBC Good Food Granny's Victoria's Sponge.
Is it supposed to be like that? It's a bit like...
Oh, wait. That smells a bit gross. Wait, what was it that just went in there?
Just like that bit there.
It smells a bit funny.
When did you buy this?
Ages ago, but I thought because it wasn't dairy,
Yeah.
it wouldn't like go funny.
I mean, it says November of this year.
We've come this far.
like that.
It looks fine. Does that look weird? Oh god.
It smells fine. It doesn't smell like anything.
Oh yeah, I don't know why it smelled funny when...
Yeah, it smells funny. And then puts it in.
Oh well.
I mean, it's plant-based, so...
So it's not gonna kill us.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, that bit looks good. I just want more glaze. Oh shit. Okay. I have no technique to make this look pretty. Sugar's going on. Hold it down, continue to hold it down. There we go. See, it's not that scary, is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my god! It looks so nice.
That crackling sound. Do we need more sugar on there?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Some of it's not... Oh, is it gone like... It's smaller now.
Oh, do I need to put more gas in it? Oh, for fuck's sake. Should I re-gas it?
Yeah.
We got it working again. Oh my god, it's gonna set on fire.
Oh, this is so strong.
Yeah, it's stronger than before.
Should I squeeze some of that in?
Yeah. Just a little citrusy drizzle.
Ooh.
Right, pineapple in the microwave because it's been sitting here for about 5 hours.
Okay.
How long should we put it in for?
30 seconds first?
Yeah. I feel like because it's quite juicy, it will
Yeah.
heat quite easily. And then we've got our like creamy sauce to drizzle over. And then the beautiful Victoria sponge that's been sitting there waiting patiently for about 3 hours, genuinely. Okay.
Okay.
This is so exciting. We're rolling. Okay. So, feast complete.
Yes.
How many hours later?
What time
4
is it?
hours later.
Worth it though.
Well, we haven't tried them yet, so who knows. Okay, we'll do the cake last because that doesn't need to be, well, it's cool.
Yeah.
Should we do the brulee first?
Yes.
'Cause
Okay, wait. Which one do you think you'll like the most?
I'm kind of hoping it's going to be the brulee.
Yeah, me too.
So, reminder, it is a creme brulee with like a cardamom rice pudding. The
With
top
something.
is looking, I mean, you will have seen the blowtorch action, but crispy as anything. Do you want to do the...
Oh, so much
I hope it
pressure.
makes a sound. Okay, silence, please.
Oh.
I mean, like, it's not focused, but...
Is it not? Oh my god, he's amazing.
Where's my spoon? Okay.
I think this is gonna be good.
We need to both eat at the... Wait, I want like a nice brown crispy piece. Okay, we've got to eat at the same time. Okay.
I like the rice.
It's okay.
It's a bit like,
It probably should have set more.
yeah,
Yeah,
but we were
didn't really
impatient.
Yeah, we
Taste
need
wise
to go to
though,
sleep.
I like it.
Okay, let's just help ourselves to a piece. So, it's got what, like a nectarine, papaya, no, not papaya, passion fruit glaze.
Yes.
No, passion fruit sauce.
No.
Passion fruit cream.
An
Passion fruit
apricot.
cream.
Apricot glaze.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Are you gonna eat the skin?
No,
right?
I don't think that's a thing.
That's pretty hard. Yeah, this is not good. I was gonna say user experience, but they should probably have asked us to skin it, like remove the skin.
Yeah, but then it wouldn't look as good.
Yeah.
He left the whole like spikes on.
Yeah, I know. But like now I'm struggling.
Do it
Is it good?
sideways, maybe? Like, yeah, it's good. It tastes like pineapple, you know? And I kind of want it to have another dimension to it. Like, it's really nice. But am I blown away? I'm just like, it's a nice snack. I think if someone gave this to me for dessert, I'd be like, where's
Can you
my
taste
actual dessert?
the apricot? I kind of.
Mm.
It's a bit too sweet for me, this, I think.
Yeah, it's kind of just like fruit upon fruit upon fruit.
Also really struggling with...
So I guess the verdict is super easy to make. Tastes perfectly nice, but
It's super
I feel
sweet.
like a snack on a summer day is more my vibe with this. But then the amount of effort involved isn't like a snack on a summer day.
I think
effort.
I would like this more if it was cold.
Yeah. Is it supposed to be cold?
No, it's supposed to be warm, I think.
Yeah, I feel like then it would be more refreshing.
Yeah. Do you like the cream?
Yeah, obviously it should be whipped thick, but I just got bored and couldn't be bothered. Which is going to be a theme in our videos. I got bored and I couldn't be bothered.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna wait for you.
Thank you, that's very kind. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. Okay. Granny's Victoria Sponge, courtesy of BBC Good Food.
Mm.
Oh! That was a good reaction.
The cake, I love the softness.
I thought it might be too dense and also it hadn't risen enough, but actually it's kind of, because you've got 2 layers, you don't want it to be too thick. Okay, BBC Good Food did good.
I don't know which my favourite now. Is it the cake? or
Mine's
is
the cake.
They're both so good.
That tastes like such a British classic.
I wonder if, because I split up the ingredients, like I divide the ingredients by,
Oh, right, yeah.
I don't know, like 6, whether that made it a little bit more runny, you know?
That's always a risk, because out of the 3 desserts, the cake is the only one that we didn't alter the measurements of.
Yeah.
So yeah, obviously, if you don't want to do 6 creme brulees like us, and you just want to do 1, sometimes.
But also, why would you spend like 2 hours making one?
Wow. That is an excellent question. It has made me less scared of creme brulee though.
Yeah.
Like, I would gladly try and make one again because I know that... I feel like the bit I was most scared of not working was the topping, and actually that was the bit that went perfectly.
I don't think this is difficult at all.
No.
Because what I did was just soak the rice,
Yeah.
heat it up with some cream and sugar, and then that was, and low torch it. So I think it's a time consuming thing, but it's not that hard.
Exactly. And it's not time consuming as in you're actively doing stuff for 3 hours. It's just because you've got to keep sort of waiting. Wait for this to thicken up, wait for this to set, wait for this to soak.
Yeah. This one looks the most impressive, but it's just not. Like.
Not hitting the mark, although credit to Ainsley for the drink.
Oh
We've
yeah.
got that. The mango and coconut daiquiri at the beginning was delicious. It was so nice. So yeah, he still gets points for that.
Yeah. I'm gonna chill this. I'm gonna have it tomorrow.
That is a really good idea. That'd be a good snack.
Yeah.
Yeah, we hope you have enjoyed these recipes. Make the Victoria Sponge. This Victoria Sponge is heaven. Possibly make this if you want. Definitely have a good go at that.
Yeah.
And make the cocktail, which I can't show you because we've already drank them all. And we will be back at some point for more foodie fun in the tried and tested kitchen.